Hey guys, welcome back to the Music Mindset channel. Man, we got a doozy here today. Oh, you done went and done it now, Donald Trump. Donald Trump thinking he can use any song he wants without asking or paying for a license. Man. Well, on September 3rd, Isaac Hayes III took Donald Trump to court to stop him from using the iconic Sam and David, "Hold On, I'm Coming."
Shout to me.
This classic track, co-written by Isaac Hayes Sr., has been the latest victim in Trump's long list of unauthorized music choices. The Hayes estate, which partially owns the copyright, isn't playing around this time. They've issued a cease and desist order, gearing up for a lawsuit that could finally hit Trump where it hurts, in his wallet. Now, this isn't just any song, folks. "Hold On, I'm Coming" is a piece of soul music history, a song that's been bringing people together for decades. But what is Trump doing? He's out there playing it at his rallies without a shred of permission, not from the artists, not from the estates, nada. Isaac Hayes III and his legal team are saying enough is enough, bruh, and they're looking to teach Trump a lesson on respecting intellectual property. And it's not just Isaac Hayes III who's had it with Trump. The list of artists who told him to cut it out reads like a Hall of Fame roll call, from the Rolling Stones to Aerosmith, and now Dion is back in the spotlight with her own message. Dion, known for her powerhouse ballad, is reportedly working with a legal team to ensure Trump doesn't lay a finger on her music again. She's been vocal about protecting her work, especially now as she focuses on her health and career in 2024. Man, you gotta wonder, is Trump really that tone deaf, or is he just daring these artists to come after him? Either way, he's racking up quite a collection of cease and desist orders. And honestly, at this rate, he might be better off hiring a composer to create some original track, because the music industry is done playing nice. Let's listen to what Isaac Hayes and his lawyers had to say about that thing.
We are very grateful and happy for the decision by Judge Thrash. Donald Trump has been barred from ever playing the music of Isaac Hayes again. I couldn't ask for a better decision. I want this to serve as an opportunity for other artists to come forward that don't want their music used by Donald Trump or other political entities, and continue to fight for music, artist rights, and copyright. Any questions?
Your reaction to the judge saying that he would not ask that the videos be taken down?
That's temporary. Once we get to trial and we prove that they do not have a license, today was a preliminary injunction to stop them from using it any further. Now we'll go into an evidentiary process. My co-counsels will start discovery. You can elaborate what happens next in discovery.
So today was called the preliminary injunction, and the purpose was to stop him from any further use. The underlying case for the infringement is still proceeding forward, and we're going to take the steps necessary to ensure our client a victory.
There was a lot of conversation today just about whether or not it was actively communicated to them to stop the use of the song. I think you guys tried to prove over and over that you asked several times. You went through the steps for which tried to get everyone's attention to stop using it, and then the subsequent use of it.
Yeah, so this has been a 4-year process. Initially in 2022, right after the Uvalde mass shooting at the NRA convention in Houston, Donald Trump used "Hold On, I'm Coming." I made a tweet that I was not pleased with that. A cease and desist was sent at that point. Over the next 4 years, he continued to use the music. After the rally here in Atlanta, James and I had a conversation. Said we really got to find a way to stop him from using the music, and this was the only means to be able to do that. He was also notified by BMI at a point 100 days ago to not play the song, but he continued to play the song multiple times after he was told not to. So that's copyright infringement, textbook copyright infringement. We are the copyright holders. A lot of artists are not often in this position to stand up for their copyrights because publishing companies typically own the rights to the music, but I always want to make sure that we are able to protect my father's legacy. My father lost the rights to his music a year before I was born. That music started to come back, so after 56 years, the last thing that we were going to do is sell our copyright, and we're going to defend and continue to gather more Isaac Hayes copyrights. Yeah, it's made very clear, don't play Isaac Hayes music songs anymore.
Mr. Hayes, one of the things mentioned in court today was basically that your father isn't here to speak for himself, say whether or not he wants that song played.
Right.
How did you react to hearing that, and what do you think your father would say?
That's fine. Copyright law states that after 56 years of publication, the rights of those songs either return to the author or the heirs, which is our family. They've returned to our family. We have a right to defend and protect our copyright. and we did. Other than that, I've never wanted this song to be associated with Donald Trump in the manner that he was using it, because it was something that he used repeatedly, more than any other song at his rallies. He's been playing this song for 4 years almost, over and over again at rallies. As I've said before, my sisters are behind me. My father was a father to 7 daughters. I have 7 sisters. Donald Trump has been found liable of sexual abuse. I know my father would not want that man playing his music. Man's been found liable of sexual abuse and some of the things that he says about women, especially black women and women of color, especially in this election. And so we have to take a stand that we want to separate ourselves from someone with Donald Trump's character. This is not a political issue. This is a character issue. That's been made very clear today.
All jokes aside, man, this legal battle is more than just a clash of egos. It's about artists standing up for their rights and making sure that their hard work isn't exploited for someone else's gain. And with Isaac Hayes III, Celine Dion, and a growing list of others ready to take Trump on, this might just be the showdown that ends this unauthorized playlist once and for all. Copyright strike, bruh. Man, it just simply don't make no sense. I don't know what this dude is thinking about. Then to be looking for little loose on the side type of battles, you know what I mean? Get your priorities in order, man. So what do you think, guys? Will Trump finally get the message, or is he just going to keep on hitting play? Drop your thoughts and comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Music Mindset insight. I'm Mr. Mindset on the Music Mindset channel. As usual, I appreciate you guys for checking us out.